Welcome to Kiddo Learning Club. Watch, read, listen, learn.
And welcome back to our science experiment for kids series. Today we are going to and refreshing color found in natural. Today we are going to make our own green color with a fun and easy experiment. We need these experiments for conical flask, stirring stick, 2 beakers, food color blue, food color yellow, 1 cup of water. First, we need to understand how to make green color. Green is a secondary color, which means it can be created by mixing two primary colors, yellow and blue. Separate beakers with water. Add a few drops of yellow food coloring to 1 cup and a few drops of blue food color. Now pour the water from both beakers into the conical flask. Now we can see the water in the conical flask is now green. We are going to make purple color. We take a blue color and red color and water. Now this is a purple color. Thank you.
Please like, share, and subscribe.